learners! This is Teacher Kimberly and welcome to my channel. Halina't makinig at matuto ng mga pamamaraan at konsepto sa mathematics sa aking tutorial video. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at subscribe. Pindutin din ang notification bell button para maging updated ka sa mga susunod kong video. Good morning, grade 10 students! We are now in the first quarter and second week of the school year 2022 to 2023. And for today's tutorial, our topic is all about illustrating arithmetic sequence. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to illustrate an arithmetic sequence. Specifically, 1. Find the common difference in an arithmetic sequence. 2. Find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. And 3. Find the arithmetic means. Bago tayo magsimula sa ating discussion, magkaroon muna tayo ng activity entitled Identifying Patterns. Observe the following sequences. What is the pattern you observe in each sequence? Number 1 sequence, 4, 7, 10, 13, and so on. So what do you think is the pattern in the number 1 sequence? Kung napapansin nyo sa given sequence, ang term pagkatapos ng first term at yung mga sumusunod pa na term ay nakukuha by adding 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Kung kaya, ang pattern dito sa given sequence is adding 3. Number 2 sequence. 33, 38, 43, 48, and so on. Dito naman sa pangalawang sequence, ang terms pagkatapos ng first term ay nakuha dahil dinadagdagan ng 5. 33 plus 5 equals 38. And 38 plus 5 equals 43. And 43 plus 5 equals 48. So, the pattern in this sequence is adding 5. Number 3 sequence. Negative 2, negative 6, negative 10, negative 14, and so on. Dito naman sa ikatlong sequence, ang bawat terms naman ay makukuha by adding negative 4 or subtracting 4. Negative 2 minus 4 equals negative 6. Negative 6 minus 4 equals negative 10. Negative 10 minus 4 equals negative 14. Therefore, the pattern in this sequence is adding negative 4 or subtracting 4. Number 4 sequence, 100, 98, 96, 94, and so on. Kung napapansin nyo dito sa ikaapat na sequence, ang mga terms after ng first term ay nakukuha dahil binabawasan ng 2 o kaya ay dinadagdagan ng negative 2. 100 minus 2 equals 98. 98 minus 2 equals 96. 96 minus 2 equals 94. Kaya naman, ang pattern dito sa number 4 sequence ay subtracting 2 or adding negative 2. Number 5 sequence, 1 half, 1, 1 and 1 half, 2. Dito naman kung napapansin nyo sa panglimang sequence, dinadagdagan ang bawat terms ng 1 half para makuha ang sumusunod na mga terms. So, the pattern here is adding 1 half. Kung napapansin nyo dito sa ating ginawang activity, ang bawat sumusunod na terms pagkatapos ng first term sa given sequences ay nakukuha dahil nagdadagdag tayo ng constant or fixed number. At alam nyo ba kung ano ang tawag sa idinadagdag natin na constant or fixed number? Ito ay tinatawag na common difference. At yung mga given sequences sa ginawa nating activity ay mga halimbawa po sila ng arithmetic sequence. Ano nga ba ang arithmetic sequence? A sequence in which term after the first is formed by adding a fixed number or constant is called arithmetic sequence. The fixed number or constant is called the common difference denoted by D. Ang arithmetic sequence po ay ang uri ng sequence kung saan ang bawat terms pagkatapos ng first term ay makukuha dahil sa pag-a-add ng fixed number or constant. At ang tawag sa fixed number or constant na idinadagdag sa bawat term ay common difference. Ang arithmetic sequence po ay maaaring finite arithmetic sequence at infinite arithmetic sequence. Pag sinabi pong finite arithmetic sequence, ito po ay arithmetic sequence na mayroong last term or end term. Samantala, ang infinite arithmetic sequence naman ay continuous ang kanyang terms or wala itong last term. Ginagamitan din ito ng ellipsis symbol. Halimbawa, 3, 7, 11, 15 is a finite arithmetic sequence. Since 3 is the first term denoted by a sub 1, 7 is the second term denoted by a sub 2, 11 is the third term denoted by a sub 3, 15 is the fourth term denoted by a sub 4. So ito pong example ay finite arithmetic sequence dahil mayroon itong last term which is 15. But how can we find the common difference? To find the common difference D in an arithmetic sequence, just subtract the first term from the second term, or subtract the second term from the third term, or subtract the two succeeding terms. Para po makuha ang common difference ng arithmetic sequence, iso-subtract po natin ang first term mula sa second term. O kaya naman, isubtract ang second term mula sa third term. At pwede ding isubtract ang dalawang magkasunod na terms. Halimbawa po, 12, 15, 18, 21. Dito sa given arithmetic sequence, 12 ang ating first term. 15 naman ang second term, 18 ang third term, at 21 ang fourth term. So para makuha ang kanilang common difference, we will subtract the first term from the second term. Ibawas po ang first term mula sa second term. So 15 minus 12 equals 3. Then, isubtract ulit ang second term mula sa third term. So 18 minus 15 equals 3. Pagkatapos ay isubtract ulit ang third term mula sa fourth term. So 21 minus 18 equals 3. Kung napapansin nyo, pare-pareho ang kanilang difference which is 3. Thus, the common difference or D of the sequence is 3. Let us have an example on how to find the common difference. Example number 1. Consider the arithmetic sequence 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, and 19. Dito po sa given arithmetic sequence, ang first term natin ay 4. The second term is 7. Ang third term ay 10. Ang fourth term ay 13. At ang panglimang term ay 16. At ang ika-anim na term ay 19. At para po makuha ang kanilang common difference, ang una nating gagawin ay iso-subtract ang first term mula sa second term. Kaya magiging 7 minus 4 equals 3. Then, subtract the second term mula sa third term. So, 10 minus 7 equals 3. And subtract again the third term from the fourth term. So, 13 minus 10 equals 3. And isubtract naman ang fourth term mula sa panglimang term. So, 16 minus 13 equals 3. And lastly, subtract the fifth term from the sixth term. So, 19 minus 16 equals 3. So, the common difference D of the given arithmetic sequence is equal to 3. Kasi nga, kung napapansin nyo, pare-pareho ang difference ng given arithmetic sequence. That is why the common difference is 3. Let us have another example. Consider the arithmetic sequence 15, 11, 7, 3. The common difference is negative 4. So, dito sa ating ikalawang example, ibinigay na or given na ang common difference which is negative 4. At dito sa ating given arithmetic sequence, ang ating first term is 15. The second term is 11. The third term is 7. And the fourth term is 3. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin, kailangan nating i-prove na ang common difference nga talaga ng given arithmetic sequence ay negative 4. At para ma-prove yun, we will subtract the first term from the second term. So ang ating first term ay 15 at ang ating second term ay 11. So 11 minus 15 equals negative 4. And subtract the second term mula naman sa third term. Ang ating third term ay 7 at ang ating second term ay 11. So 7 minus 11 equals negative 4. And lastly, we will subtract the third term from the fourth term. Ang ating fourth term dito ay 3 at ang third term ay 7. So, 3 minus 7 equals negative 4. So, the common difference is equal to negative 4. Another example, determine if the sequence is arithmetic or not. If it is, find the common difference and the next three terms of the sequence negative 4, 3, 10, 17, and so on. So dito sa ating pangatlong example, kukunin muna natin ang common difference ng given sequence para makuha natin ang tatlong susunod pang terms. So, ang una nating gagawin ay i-identify muna natin ang first term. The first term here is negative 4. Ang second term ay 3. Ang third term ay 10. Ang fourth term ay 17. At para makuha ang kanilang common difference, isusubtract natin ang first term mula sa second term. So, 3 minus the quantity of negative 4 is equal to 3 plus 4. Bakit naging 3 plus 4? Kasi nga, negative times negative magiging positive. Kaya nag-add. So, 3 plus 4 equals 7. And then, subtract the second term mula naman sa third term. So, 10 minus 3 equals 7. And, ngayon naman, isubtract natin ang ikatatlong term mula naman sa ikaapat na term. So, 17 minus 10 equals 7. So, the common difference is equal to 7. And therefore, the sequence is arithmetic. At ngayon naman, para makuha ang tatlong sumusunod pa na term, ito, ang common difference dito ay idadagdag natin sa last given term, which is the fourth term. And ang ating fourth term dito ay 17. So, 17 plus 7 equals 24. Nakuha na natin ang unang term na ipinapahanap. Then, para makuha ang ikalawang unknown term, idadagdag natin ang panglimang term na 24 sa common difference. So, 24 plus 7 equals 31. Then, add again the common difference to the sixth term, which is 31. So, 31 plus 7 equals 38. Yon, nahanap na natin ang tatlong sumusunod na terms. Thus, the common difference is 7 and the next three terms are 24, 31, and 38. Next is the general or nth term of the arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence can be expressed as an equation or rule. Arithmetic sequence general rule is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, where a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, d is the common difference, and a sub n is the last term. Now, let us find the general term or nth term of the arithmetic sequence. For example, number 1, given the arithmetic sequence 4, 9, 14, 19, 24, and 29, and so on, find the arithmetic sequence rule. So, para mahanap ang arithmetic sequence rule ng ating example, we will identify first the value of the a sub 1 or the first term and find the common difference. So, dito sa ating example, ang ating first term ay 4 at ang common difference is 5. Kasi nga, 9 minus 4 is 5 and 14 minus 9 equals 5, 19 minus 14 equals 5, and so on. So, kung napansin nyo, pare-pareho yung kanilang difference which is 5. Kaya, ang common difference ay 5. So, ngayon, gagamitin natin dito ang general rule ng arithmetic sequence which is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Yan ang general rule of the arithmetic sequence. Ngayon, i-substitute po natin ang value ng a sub 1 or ng first term at ng common difference. A sub 1 is equal to 4 and d is equal to 5. So, substitute to the general rule, magiging a sub n equals 4 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times 5. Then, we will simplify. So, ngayon, magiging a sub n equals 4 plus 5n minus 5. Bakit siya naging 5n minus 5? Kasi nga, 5 times n equals 5n. Then, 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Kaya siya naging 4 plus 5n minus 5. Then, i-combine natin dito ang like terms which is 4 and negative 5. Kaya siya magiging a sub n equals 5n minus 1. Bakit siya naging minus 1? Kasi as you can see, 4 is positive and 5 is negative. So, unlike sign, kaya magso-subtract. And just copy the sign of the number that has greater absolute value, which is 5. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So, the arithmetic sequence rule of the given arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals 5n minus 1. At para ma-check kung tama ang ating na-generate na arithmetic sequence rule dito sa ating unang example, gagamitin natin ito para hanapin ang value ng ating first term at second term. So, unahin natin ang first term. Para sa first term, lahat ng n dito sa ating nabuong arithmetic sequence rule ay papalitan natin ng 1. Kaya siya magiging a sub 1 equals 5 times 1 minus 1. Then, multiply. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Kaya siya naging a sub 1 equals 5 minus 1. Then, subtract. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Kaya ang ating first term ay equal to 4. At para naman sa ating second term, lahat ng n doon sa ating nabuong arithmetic sequence rule ay papalitan natin ng 2. Kaya siya magiging a sub 2 equals 5 times 2 minus 1. Then multiply, 5 times 2 is equal to 10 minus 1. Then subtract, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Kaya ang value ng ating second term ay 9. And as you can see, ang ating first term at second term ay nagmatch doon sa ating given arithmetic sequence. Let us have another example. Given the arithmetic sequence 15, 0, negative 15, negative 30, negative 45, and so on, find the arithmetic sequence rule. So, ang una nating gagawin ay identify ang value ni a sub 1 or the first term and the common difference. So, dito sa ating given arithmetic sequence, ang ating first term ay 15 at ang common difference ay negative 15. Then, gamit ang general rule of the arithmetic sequence na a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, isa-substitute natin ito, yung value ni a sub 1 at d. Kaya magiging a sub n equals 15 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times negative 15. So, sinubstitute lang po or pinalitan yung value ni a sub 1 and d na common difference. So, ngayon, multiply natin si negative 15 doon sa n minus 1. Kaya magiging a sub n equals 15 minus 15n plus 15. Bakit siya naging negative 15n plus 15? Kasi nga, negative 15 times positive n is negative 15n. And negative 15 times negative 1 is equal to positive 15. So ngayon, isimplify na natin or i-combine yung like terms na 15 and 15. So ngayon, a sub n is equal to negative 15n plus 30. So saan nanggaling si 30? Si 30 po ay nanggaling sa kay 15 plus 15. Gin-add lang po. So, ngayon, ang ating arithmetic sequence rule ng ating given arithmetic sequence ay a sub n equals negative 15n plus 30. At para ma-check kung tama ang ating na-generate na arithmetic sequence rule, gamitin natin ito para hanapin ang value ng ating first term, second term, at third term. So, para sa first term, lahat ng n doon sa ating arithmetic sequence rule na a sub n equals negative 15n plus 30, lahat ng n doon ay papalitan natin ng 1. Kasi nga ang ating hahanapin ay first term. So, magiging a sub 1 equals negative 15 times 1 plus 30. Then, simplify. So, a sub 1 is equal to negative 15 plus 30. So, bakit naging negative 15? Kasi nga, negative 15 times positive 1, unlike sign, so the result is negative. So, 15 times 1 is 15. Then, ngayon, isimplify na natin, negative 15 plus 30, as you can see, they have unlike sign. Kaya, tayo ay magso-subtract. So, bawasan natin ang 30 ng 15, the answer is 15. So, ang value ng first term natin ay 15. At para naman sa second term, lahat ng n doon sa ating arithmetic sequence rule ay papalitan natin ng 2. Kaya siya magiging a sub 2 equals negative 15 times 2 plus 30. Then a sub 2 equals negative 30 plus 30. So, bakit naging negative 30? Kasi nga, negative 15 times positive 2 is negative 30. Unlike sign, kaya negative yung result. Ngayon, subtract natin si negative 30 at positive 30 kasi sila ay unlike sign. And the result is 0. Ang ating second term ay equal to 0. At para naman sa third term, papalitan natin lahat ng n doon sa ating arithmetic sequence rule ng 3. Kaya siya magiging a sub 3 equals negative 15 times 3 plus 30. Then, a sub 3 is equal to negative 45 plus 30. Then, subtract since unlike sign. Kaya ang ating a sub 3 or third term ay equal to negative 15. Next is finding the arithmetic means. Ano nga ba ang arithmetic means? Arithmetic means are the terms m sub 1, m sub 2, up to m sub k between two numbers a and b such that a, m sub 1, m sub 2, up to m sub k, b is an arithmetic sequence. Pag sinabi pong arithmetic means, ito po yung terms like m sub 1, m sub 2, up to m sub k na ini-insert sa gitna ng dalawang numbers na a and b. Halimbawa po, insert the missing term from the arithmetic sequence 5, 11, 17, blank, and 29. Ang blank po dyan ay yung missing term or the so-called arithmetic means. Siya po ang ini-insert na missing term. So, paano po natin hahanapin ang arithmetic means? Ang gagawin po natin, ang una ay kunin natin ang common difference. So, isubtract natin ang first term mula sa second term. So, D is equal to 11 minus 5, which results to positive 6. And, isubtract din natin ang second term mula sa third term. Kaya naging 17 minus 11 is equal to 6. So, therefore, the common difference is equal to 6. At ngayon, since nakuha na natin ang common difference, ito ay gagamitin natin para idagdag sa last na given term. Yun po ang pangalawa nating gagawin. So, ngayon, ang last na given term ay 17. So, add 6 to 17. 17 plus 6 is equal to 23. And therefore, the missing term is 23. Yan ang missing arithmetic mean. Another example, insert 3 arithmetic means between 6 and 54. So, ang una nating gagawin ay identify natin ang value ni a sub 1 or yung first term, yung a sub n or the last term, at ang n, yung number of terms. Ang ating a sub 1 or first term dito sa ating example ay 6. At ang last term or yung a sub n is 54. At ang total number of terms naman or n is equal to 5 since mayroon na tayong dalawang given na terms, yung 6 at 54. At pinapa-insert tayo ng tatlong arithmetic means. Kaya yung n ay equal to 5. At ang inire-require sa atin na kunin ay tatlong arithmetic means, si m sub 1, m sub 2, at m sub 3. Since hindi pa natin alam ang value ng ating common difference, kailangan muna nating itong hanapin gamit ang general rule or the n term of the arithmetic sequence na a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So, ang ating a sub n ay equal to 54. So, substitute lang. Kaya, lahat dito ng may values ay papalitan na natin. So, sa a sub n ay magiging 54 equals a sub 1 ay equal to 6. Kaya, naging 6. plus yung n dito sa n-1, papalitan na natin ng 5. Kaya siya naging the quantity of 5 minus 1 times d. So, ngayon, i-multiply natin. Magiging 54 equals 6 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 times d. Kaya naging 4d. Since hindi pwedeng i-combine si 6 at 4d, ililipat natin si 6 papunta sa kabilang side. Kaya siya naging 54 minus 6 equals 4d. Then 54 minus 6 equals 48. And now we will divide both sides by 4. So 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. And 4d divided by 4 is equal to d. Kaya ang ating common difference ay equal to 12. Next, we can now find the arithmetic means using the common difference which is equal to 12. So m sub 1 equals a sub 1 plus d. Substitute the value of the first term and the common difference. So m sub 1 equals 6 plus 12. Then, m sub 1 is equal to 18. That is the value of our first arithmetic mean. And para naman sa m sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus 2d. Then substitute the value of the first term and the common difference. Kaya magiging m sub 2 equals 6 plus 2 times 12. Then, m sub 2 equals 6 plus 24. Kasi nga, 2 times 12 equals 24. Then add 6 plus 24 equals 30. And that is the second arithmetic mean or the m sub 2. At para naman sa m sub 3 is equal to a sub 1 plus 3d. Then, m sub 3 equals 6 plus 3 times 12. Sinubstitute lang po ang value ni first term at common difference. Then, m sub 3 equals 6 plus 36. Since 3 times 12 equals 36. Then, add 6 plus 36 equals 42. Yan ang ating pangatlong arithmetic means. So, therefore, the three arithmetic means are 18, 30, and 42. At kapag in-insert na natin siya doon sa ating given arithmetic means, we will now have 6, 18, 30, 42, and 54. Another example, insert two arithmetic means between 2 and 32. So, ang una nating gagawin, i-identify natin yung given. So, our a sub 1 or the first term is equal to 2. A sub n or last term is equal to 32. At n ay equal to 4. Since we have two given terms and two arithmetic means na kailangang i-insert. So, all in all, we have n equals 4. And we are required to insert two arithmetic means, and that will be m sub 1 and m sub 2. Ngayon naman, gamit ang value ng a sub 1, a sub n, at n, ay isa-substitute natin ito sa ating general rule of the arithmetic sequence to get the common difference, since unknown pa ang ating common difference. So, the general rule is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So, i-substitute natin, magiging 32 equals 2 plus the quantity of 4 minus 1 times d. Then, 32 is equal to 2 plus 3d. Bakit naging 3d? Kasi nga 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Then, times 3, 3 times d, kaya naging 3d. Since hindi natin pwedeng pagsamahin si 2 at si 3d, we will transpose or ililipat natin si 2 papunta sa kabilang side. Kaya siya magiging 32 minus 2 equals 3d. Then subtract 32 minus 2 equals 30. At para ang matira na lang ay d, we will divide both sides by 3. Ito yung, si 3 yung numerical coefficient ni d. So 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10 and 3d divided by 3 is equal to d. and our common difference is equal to 10. At dahil nakuha na natin ang value ng ating common difference, we can now find the arithmetic means. So, for m sub 1 is equal to a sub 1 plus d. Substitute the value of the first term and common difference, kaya magiging m sub 1 equals 2 plus 10. And 2 plus 10 equals 12. And 12 is the first arithmetic mean or the m sub 1. At para naman sa m sub 2 or the second arithmetic mean, m sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus 2 times d. Then, substitute the value of the first term and the common difference, kaya magiging m sub 2 equals 2 plus 2 times 10. And m sub 2 equals 2 plus 20, since 2 times 10 equals 20. Then add 2 plus 20 is equal to 22. And 22 is our second arithmetic mean or the m sub 2. Therefore, the two arithmetic means are 12 and 22. Hence, the arithmetic sequence is 2, 12, 22, and 32. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoy and learned from my lesson today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell button so that you'll get updated for my next video. Thank you for watching.